Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Calendar to Dola AI in 2026. First, open Dola AI and sign into your account. Once you're inside, look for the Calendar or Integration settings where you can connect your calendar service. Select Google Calendar from the available options. Dola will then guide you through the connection process. You'll need to sign in with the Google account that contains the calendar you want to use. After signing in, review the permissions that Dola requests. These permissions allow Dola to work with your calendar, such as viewing existing events and creating or managing events, depending on the access you approve. Continue through the authorization steps and allow the connection if everything looks correct. Once the process is complete, return to Dola and check that Google Calendar is shown as connected. Now you can use Dola to interact with your Google Calendar using natural language messages. For example, you can ask Dola to create an event, schedule a meeting, set a reminder, or check your upcoming schedule. You can also test the connection by creating a simple calendar event.